It is day 22 out of 365 days of me uploading a video every day to practice consistency. It is also New Year's, and in my country, people are allowed to send off fireworks themselves. So that is what's happening out in the background and outside my house right now. All right. I live in suburbia, so our skies are not as full of fireworks as it is in, say, Copenhagen. I'm also really scared of fireworks, but I mean, we do it because kids and adult men. Okay, here we go. Here's our own fireworks. Oh gosh, I'm scared. Here we go. Oh, it's a little pretty one. Oh, nope, never mind. Ah! Shit. I survived. It's now going to be 2026, so Happy New Year's. I'll see you for another 340 days or so. Bye.